I just wanted to show you what you can get in Budapest, Hungary for £20 a night. This is my Airbnb. Check this out. Television. Little setup. I got room for 2, maybe 4. There's me. How's it going? And got the bathroom this way. I've left the lights on just so you can see it. There's me again. Toilets. Shower. Nice sink. And then as we come back out, air conditioning, so in the summer if it gets a little bit too hot. Kitchen unit, everything you can possibly need, especially when you're traveling. Washing machine, very useful. Sink, place to have your breakfast, place to cook, toaster, coffee machine with coffee capsules, a nice little touch that. And then just upstairs, I love how they've used the space because effectively you've got tall ceilings. So they've created this area, just gotta be careful here. Go up the stairs, and here's the room. Obviously, I'm standing on the step here, so you can't really stand up straight, but you know, it doesn't really matter because by the time you get upstairs, you're just gonna lie down into the cozy bed and possibly enjoy the view. Well, actually, to be honest, I prefer to turn the television off at night. But that's what you can get in Budapest for £20 a night on Airbnb. Use my Airbnb link down below. That gives you a discount off Airbnb bookings. If you're interested, I'm more than happy to send the link. Thanks very much. So that's the Airbnb I just spent the last few days in. Amazing value, £20 a night. I am now getting in the rickety lift that takes me downstairs. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. Would I come back to the city? Yes. Do I love these old lifts? Yes, I do. I just want to show you the exit. There's a little courtyard. And this is the sort of the old type, you know, Soviet entrances that you see all over Eastern Europe and Central Europe, obviously, because Hungary is actually Central Europe. Exit by pressing this button. Opens this door. And then look, I am right by the Ruin Bar nightclub where there's about 20 different bars in that place. A lot of bars on the street. I'm next to a tattoo shop. Great location, just on the, well, basically edge to the middle of the Jewish quarter of Budapest. Highly recommend it. Like I say, the link is in the description below. Click on that link if you want to get involved. Cheers.